Hi and assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to another round of unboxing video. I know I've not been doing a lot of unboxing because I've not really been receiving or buying anything new lately. So that's why I've not been doing much of a review video. But today we are back with one review video whereby I'll be having a look at the AVF Chanter Vocal microphone that I have over here. Okay, so I just received this and I can't wait to open it and see what's inside. I can't find my scissors or I don't know a knife. So this is the best I can find. Yes, it's a nail clipper that comes in with many different parts and usage. So I'm just gonna cut this open first, just to hey, this is handy, okay? People, don't judge me. Don't judge me for not having a proper knife. It's handy and it's sharp too. So, I have no complaints whatsoever. So, just to let you guys know. Oh, all right. So this, previously, I've used AVF Chanter for my, my streams, my video recordings and stuff. So, but right now I'm actually using my headset because there seems to be a problem with the port of my PC. So I need to like fix it later before I actually plug this on. But before that, oh, wow, cool, dude. Ta-da! This is the okay, I think I need to like take out this. I need to take out this. Okay, never mind. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is the AVF Chanter Vocal, which by it is PC and phone compatible. And as well, if you guys actually saw the photo, like saw the box around on the photo, is like those microphones that you go for karaoke's and stuff. So, dude, I don't mind having those mics, man. It's awesome. I mean, if I want a karaoke after this, which I intend to do, well, sooner or later you'll know about that. I mean, this is awesome. I don't need to go find another mic for karaoke sessions. I can karaoke in my room after this, which is super awesome. Okay, got the box open on the side. So, whatever. Ah, okay. So, this is the front of the box, as you can see over here. Ta-da! So nice. So this is the Chanter Vocal. As you can see, it's a microphone. You know what? Since I'm about to go hosting soon. I don't need a mic. Can I just bring this all over for my hosting sessions? Dude, that'll be also awesome. Thank you. Yes, I have a purpose in life. Yeah, so this is how the front box looks. As you can see over here, there's a side. Okay, nothing fancy. Behind here is all the details that you need. It comes with the tripod as well, as you can see over here. So yes, I'm gonna just put it in front of your face. Enjoy it for a while. So yeah, as you can see, all the details that you need. Regards to the chanter, blah 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 blah, is written behind here. So um, yeah, this is the other side. Oh yeah, hey, pretty lady. I don't know why she looks like Lizara. Hey Liz, look. Yeah. So yeah, and then of course the Gaming Freak logo be below here and then on top here as well. So let me see over here. I'm just gonna go through a bit of the details over here. So this Chanter Vocal is handheld microphone for mobile phone karaoke and live broadcasting. Supports both Android and iOS system, which is totally awesome in my opinion. To those of you who likes to go maybe if you're the type of person who likes to go vlogging or doing I don't know, IRL streams, and you kind of want to have that kind of like hosting kind of mood thingy. Yeah, this baby is yours, guys. This is baby. This is your bae right here. Okay, so how to use is very simple over here. I'm just gonna go through the steps for a while. So number one, connect to the mobile phone. There's a cable included, and then there's a headphone. Is that a headphone over here you can put? Oh yeah, you can put your headphone as well, which is awesome. Okay, so in the photo over here, as you can see, it actually mentions over here. So like there's like 1, 2, 3. I'm a bit sorry, I don't know why it's not focusing. Focus, Focus on me. Focus. Okay, I don't know why it's not focusing. But over here, it actually indicates like number one, number two, number three, like what is it for? So like I said, number one is to connect the wire from the for the mic to the phone or any mobile phone and things like that. And you can plug in your headset, and then there's a charging and external audio input, special cable included as well, which is cool. And of course, they will tell you as well over here, like number four is what, number five is what, number six is what. So they have number four is the power mode. Press and hold power mode for 2 seconds. The power indicator glows red, means the mic is on, which is okay. So of course, like when you have this kind of mic, you want to know when it's on, when it's off, right? Correct. So and then when it's on, keep press and hold the power on mode button for 2 seconds, and then the power indicator will turn off. So it means that it will turn off lah. Okay. And then the default mode is monitoring effective sound and recording the effective sound as well, which is very interesting over here. Okay. And then after that, it also says to change the mode, fast press the power or mode button twice. Then the red light will flash twice and become a stable light. So this one, now it is monitoring effective sound and recording ineffective or original sound. So I'm assuming it's like, like focus and surrounding and things like that. And then, of course, number five is volume adjustment, and number six is reverb effect adjustment. Okay. So specifications are down here. As again, I don't think you can see because my webcam is not capturing this properly. So it's okay. Never mind that. So yeah, I think never mind. It's okay about that. So let's just quickly open this, shall we? I'm yeah. Let's just open it. So you can open the box from the side over here. Okay. And then, as you can see, it's inside here. Alright, tada, AVR vocal chanter. Oh my god, chanter vocal. Keep on saying very weird stuff. So in this box, we have the manual, as you can see over here. The manual. The manual is a very simple manual, ladies and gentlemen. You do not need to fret about it. Ta-da! Okay, it's a very simple manual. Nothing to worry about. Okay. And then of course, inside here you have the microphone and cable, and also the tripod that is actually included inside here as well. So which is I think kind of cool because I always wanted one of these, and finally I have one. So yay! Okay, so I'm just gonna bring out these items quickly. Alright, people. So first one, of course, the microphone, as you can see over here. So see, it has a AVF logo over there. I mean, it's not too heavy. Like how some microphones are quite heavy, and but this one, I would say it has a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy and not too light, which is kind of cool. Maybe I should go like this. Okay, so that's a microphone. And here is the wire. I'm assuming this is for charging. Oh, I think there's two wires inside here. Yeah, there's two wires inside here. So as you can see, there's a USB and then the jack, and down here there's the cable as well. All right, and this is the holder for the tripod. Okay, and this is the tripod stand, as you can see over here. So this goes together. So yeah, you just like dock it in, and then you put the mic, so you're ready to go. And then of course, last but not least is the other jack. I'm assuming this is the special cable that is mentioned over here. So yeah, that is all in the box. It's empty now. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna test the quality of the audio. Maybe I'm gonna try test it. Maybe for singing. Well, I did promise to do a challenge of covering a song, so having this helps me a lot. So I'm gonna go and test this and see how it sounds like. And yeah, do let me know later on after this. I'm gonna go and test this. Okay guys, so I've actually connected my microphone to my phone over here. As you can see, yes, this one is my earphone. that I'm actually wearing over here is connected to the microphone, and the jack wire just now is connected to my phone right now. So I'm cool with it. So right now the microphone is actually turned on. As you can see, that is glowing in red. So to turn it off is basically very simple. All you need to do is just press this mode button for 2 seconds, and it will turn off. Okay. So if you want to turn it on back, just press the whole, press the whole what? Press it and hold it for 2 seconds. Okay. So like I said, for this volume is actually for you to uh to hear back through your earphones. Okay, to hear back to your earphones on how you actually, you know, listen and stuff. Of course, right now you can't really hear me because I'm still recording using my um this. So I'm just gonna quickly have a record through my phone right over here. Just gonna do a bit of screen recording, as you can see over here. So we're gonna enable the enable the microphone and start. Okay, guys. So right now I am currently recording on my phone right now because my phone is connected to my uh vocal chanter over here, as you can see. So yes, have fun looking through my phone over here, guys. So to be honest, the quality of the microphone, as I'm holding it right now, like when I'm hosting and stuff like that, is very clear and very crisp. uh, the quality of it. But yeah, please do let me know, guys, if you guys think maybe it's a bit weird or maybe it's a bit funky and stuff. But to me, in my opinion right now, because I'm actually hearing feedback as well through my earphone, I can hear my voice loud and clear, and I can hear my speech well as well, unless I mumble like blah 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 blah. So yeah, I think this works perfectly fine. And I can't wait to actually do a cover video. Maybe try to sing some songs over here as well, and see how it actually goes and feels like. Though it sounds very weird and stuff, but yeah, I just want to give it a try. So maybe you just roll to the next clip. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go. Can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why.